Hi, I'm Stefan George, CTO and co-founder of Gnosis. We started working on prediction markets around 4 years ago, creating a prediction market using Bitcoin. There are many different reasons why you would like to participate in the prediction market. One reason could be that you are interested in a specific piece of information. Another would be that you would like to hedge your own risk for a specific event in the future. Another one would be to incentivize specific behavior.
I'm Martin Köppelmann, founder and CEO of Gnosis. The range of applications is kind of endless, so you can forecast the weather, you can forecast the election results, you can forecast fundamentals of stock companies. On the prediction market, it really boils down to one number, and if there is anyone in the world who thinks they would know better than this number, they have a direct financial incentive to trade this market. And basically with every trade they make, they feed the information into this market, and in the end you have a better number.
Prediction markets improve decision making because they will tell you what will happen if you make the decision. It will give you the counterfactual.
Around 2 years ago, at the beginning of 2015, we started to look into Ethereum, trying to take advantages of the properties that Ethereum has to offer. Ethereum allows us to use Ethereum not only as a currency in markets, but also to implement the entire business logic required for prediction markets into the Ethereum blockchain.
Ethereum serves as that foundational layer that everybody owns and nobody owns, that's both sort of incorruptible and infallible and something that we can reference as a source of truth. And that is the foundational layer on top of which you want to build these, critical next generation infrastructure systems like something like Gnosis.
Hi, I'm Matt Liston and I'm Chief Strategist at Gnosis. I became really fascinated with the blockchain space almost 5 years ago, and I've been working on decentralized prediction markets for most of that. By creating prediction markets on a blockchain layer, we can ensure that the data always remains open and accessible to all parties.
Basically, it's easy to trust in decentralization because you don't have to trust anyone.
I like to think of decentralization as a phenomenon rather than a movement. When you wrap a planet in layers of instantaneous communication networks and enable actors to coordinate their decisions globally, in the time frame of 14 seconds in the case of Ethereum, you have the opportunity to implement a new organizing principle. Gnosis takes that a step further, enabling us to source wisdom from a wide variety of actors and act effectively on that.
By creating an information layer which aggregates sources of both machine and human information, we can bring decisions down to a micro level with accurate information.
The core smart contracts of Gnosis are really simple, but that's powerful. Basically, as soon as there is a smart contract that is ready to use and kind of proven to be correct, it can be used by any other smart contract. Gnosis, in that sense, raises the IQ of smart contracts.
We've built Gnosis from the ground up to be a very modular platform. We are agnostic towards oracles. You can use whatever oracle you like. Same for the assets that are created within the Gnosis platform. Every outcome token that is created as a predictive asset on our platform can be traded on any other exchange. Gnosis prediction markets allow you to use any kind of token as collateral in your markets. You can use Ether, but you can also use stablecoins. We have built Gnosis as a platform to make it as easy as possible for others to build on top of Gnosis. We provide all the developer tools that are required to create new prediction market applications. This process is as simple as setting up a WordPress blog or another Facebook page.
Gnosis is a profound benefit to Ethereum because it matches a global liquidity pool with a global knowledge pool.
It's really interesting, I think, to imagine what happens to large corporates when you remove that middle layer of process and overhead and very often inefficiency in the decision-making process. And I think what you end up with potentially is hyper-efficient allocation of capital, very, very sort of rapid decision-making capabilities, and ultimately socially more responsible decisions too.
The transparent and global nature of those systems help to reduce risks associated with asymmetrical information.
A mutual friend, Aaron Wright, introduced me to Martin and Stefan. They'd had significant success with a Bitcoin-focused prediction market, so it was a no-brainer for us to get together and build something world-changing on Ethereum.